split in two. Part of me love the world and the other loves you. So what do I do? I wanna be safe, but I gotta stay cool too. Lord, I'm not a fool. I know eventually I'm gonna have to choose, and really I don't wanna lose my ticket into heaven and a chance to be used by you. If it's God that I'm after, I just can't serve two masters. And before something happens, I gotta turn it all around, because I know I can't just have my cake and eat it too. Cause it's really easy to stay on the fence and still do you. It'd be cool if we could love the Lord and still go do our things. See, it doesn't work like that. You gotta be white or black. But I realize when it comes to singing, you don't compromise. It's a matter of death and life. Be weak and do wrong, or be strong and do right. I don't wanna keep going to church, living as I don't really care if you hurt. And if it's God that I'm after, I just can't serve two masters. And before something happens, I gotta turn it all around, because I know I can't just have my cake and eat it too. Cause it's really easy to stay on the fence and still do you. It'd be cool if we could love the Lord and still go do our things, but it doesn't work like that. You gotta be white or black. You gotta be white or black. No gray, no shades of gray. No, 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 no. It doesn't work like that.